Hi and welcome to another edition of MDC Masterclass. Today we're going to do a bit of under camper maintenance and grease the swing arm bushes on your suspension. But first, you'll need one of these. So head down to Supercheap, Repco, grab yourselves one of these. Tell the Minister for War and Finance, Steve said you've got to have one. Now you're back from Repco with your $85 grease gun and you've hidden the receipt from your significant other, we can get started. So if you want to have a look underneath here, we'll see that the trailing arm suspension on this one is a bit unique. It has greasable pins, so they grease on the inside of the bush, and there's also an external grease point as well. So we're able to get a stack of grease into this one. So if you want to follow me under the camper, I'll show you how it's done. So what we do is we attach to the grease point. Pop that on and pump some grease into there. Now after you've done this, often you'll see some squeeze out around the bushes, and that'll let you know that you're filling up the cavity in there full of grease. Then we go on to the outside of the bush there. Got miles of grease in there now. Something you want to remember if you're traveling, say the tele track, and you've got water crossing after water crossing after water crossing. It doesn't hurt to take a grease gun with you, and over an evening, put a few squirts of grease back into the bushes, and what it'll do is it will expel any water that's managed to get in there. It doesn't take long for it to happen. If you get stuck, you're sitting in Nolan's Brook, up to your door handles in water for 15 minutes, sure as hell some's going to get in where the grease is. So a few squirts of an afternoon before you sit down to have dinner and you'll get rid of the water. So remember folks, a little bit of love, some regular maintenance, and your camper trailer will love you back. For more great tips, more information on service, head over to our website and follow the Masterclass series, and definitely follow us on Facebook.